There is a kind of pain that cuts deeper than anything physical. A pain that doesn't bleed on the outside but bleeds silently inside your soul. A pain that forces you to face yourself, to question everything, and to wonder if life is trying to break you or awaken you. What most people never realize is this: your deepest pain carries your highest purpose. Nothing in your journey is accidental. Every wound is a doorway. Every tear is a teacher. Every heartbreak has a mission. The hidden purpose of deep pain is not to destroy you, it's to transform you. Life often uses suffering as a sacred invitation. When everything collapses, when the people you trusted abandon you, when the dreams you built fall apart, that is the moment the universe whispers, it's time to become who you truly are. Pain strips away illusions, breaks false identities, and reveals the version of you that you were always meant to become. Pain wakes you up, not gently, but with undeniable force. It pushes you out of relationships that drained you, environments that suppressed your spirit, and versions of yourself that you outgrew. You don't evolve when life is comfortable. You evolve when life forces you to confront the truth. Comfort maintains you, discomfort transforms you. The hidden purpose of your deepest suffering is evolution. When you lose everything you thought you needed, you discover everything you already had inside. Strength, not faith. Resilience, clarity. These qualities don't appear when life is easy. They are forged in the fire of adversity. Pain is often the divine sculptor, shaping you into someone you didn't know you could become. But there's another layer. Pain reveals your mission. Think about it. The things you feel most called to heal in others are the things you had to heal within yourself first. People who suffered abandonment become the greatest sources of loyalty. Those who knew loneliness become the most compassionate. Those who felt broken become the ones who help others rebuild. Your deepest wounds become your strongest gifts. You didn't go through what you went through for nothing. The nights you cried, the battles you fought alone, the prayers you whispered in silence. Every moment of pain is part of your spiritual architecture. Life wasn't destroying you. It was building the version of you that could carry your purpose. Pain also forces you to slow down and look inward. When the noise of the world is stripped away, you can finally hear your soul. You begin asking different questions. Who am I really? What do I want? What do I need to release? What is God trying to show me? Pain creates silence, and silence creates awakening. The deepest pain also teaches detachment. It shows you that nothing external is guaranteed. Not people, not stability, not circumstances. The only thing you truly control is your inner world, your peace, your reactions, your choices. And once you learn that, you become unshakable. Pain breaks your dependency on the world and strengthens your connection with the divine. And here is the greatest truth. Pain breaks you open so light can enter. In your darkest moments, you often turn to the only place left, upward. Suffering becomes the bridge between who you were and who you are becoming. God uses pain to remove what is temporary, so He can give you what is eternal. He allows heartbreak to redirect you. He allows loss to protect you. He allows silence to strengthen you. But the hidden purpose goes even deeper. Pain connects you to others. The most powerful healers, teachers, and leaders on earth are not the ones who lived easy lives. They are the ones who walked through fire and came back with wisdom. Your story, your scars, will be the medicine someone else desperately needs. Your pain gives you empathy, and empathy gives you purpose. Your deepest pain is preparing you for your divine assignment. One day, you will stand in front of someone who is drowning in the same darkness you once survived, and your words will save them. Not because of theory, but because of experience. You will recognize their pain, you will feel their struggle, and you will guide them out because you once needed someone to guide you. So don't curse your pain. Don't rush it, don't numb it. Sit with it, listen to it. Let it shape you. You are not being punished. You are being positioned. Every tear is watering the soil of your future. Every battle is training your spirit. Every loss is making space for something divine. Pain is not the end of your story. It is the chapter that awakens the hero inside you. When the healing comes, you won't just rise. You'll rise with purpose. You will understand why it had to hurt. You will see how everything connects. You will thank God for the doors that closed, for the people who left, and for the silence that forced you to hear your own soul. Because your deepest pain wasn't meant to break you, it was meant to reveal you. Motivation you need.